Okay, we're going to graph y is less than or equal to x minus 4. So what we're going to have is this here. You have y equals x minus 4. Let's pretend it's an equal to graph it, meaning my slope is 1, or 1 over 1, and the y-intercept would simply be at -4. All right? So to graph it, here we go. Put a dot at -4. We're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, graph it. And I have the following, and notice it is a solid line because there is a bar. And if I stand right here, on which side would y be smaller? Well, it would be on the, if you're right here going down, so I'm going to shade right there. And there's my answer. Woo! All right. So now let's graph this one, y greater than 2/3 x minus 4. So I'm going to write it down here like it's an equal. What's my slope? 2/3. What's the y-intercept? -4. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to go what? Down -4 to start with, and go what? Up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. Now will it be a solid or dotted line? It will be a dotted line, so because there's no bar. And if I'm standing right here, am I looking for y values that are smaller or larger than the line? Notice it says greater than, so I'm going to shade up. Ooh, that's all there is to it. Okay, let's try another one. Y is greater than or equal to -4/3 x plus 4. We'll pretend it's an equal. What's m? -4/3. Yes. What's the y-intercept? 4. So where am I going to graph it at? Starting up at 4. Then I'm going to go down 4 over 3. And will it be a solid or dotted line? Notice there's a bar, so it will be a solid line. And if I'm standing right there, I'm looking for y values that are what? Smaller or larger? Notice y has to be bigger than, so it should be on that side right there. And there's my graph. Woo! Last one. Y is less than or equal to -3/4 x. Well, first off, let's just graph it. Pretend it's an equal. What's m? Basically, m will be -3 over 4. I like to put the negative with the top number. Makes it easier. The y-intercept is -3 or -3, 0. So I'm going to start graphing down at -3. 1, 2, 3. And now I've got to go what? Down 3 over 4. And will it be a solid or dotted line? Notice there's a bar, so it will be a solid line. And if I'm standing right here, on which side will it be less than? Y is smaller, will be going down. So I shade that. Basically, graph the line, mx plus b. Determine whether it's a solid line or a dotted line. And then if you're standing right there where the line crosses it, determine whether it's got to be smaller or larger. Smaller is going to go down and larger are going to go up. That's it for graphing an inequality.